a single cryptocurrency surged 76.2% in 1 week, outpacing even the hottest AI-themed tokens by a margin so wide it defies simple market momentum. That asset is Telcoin. And the gap between it and the rest of the top gainers isn't just large, it's larger than the entire weekly gain of the second-ranked asset. This isn't a routine rally. This is an outlier event screaming for explanation. According to CoinMarketCap's latest weekly data, Telcoin led all gainers with a 76.2% increase, placing it firmly at number 1. The second-ranked asset, Sahara AI, gained 42.5%, a strong performance by any measure. But the spread between them is 33.7 percentage points, a gap wider than Sahara AI's entire move. That's not just a lead, it's a separation. And for a token with a $347 million market cap, a move of this magnitude doesn't happen without a catalyst. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Market sentiment alone doesn't lift a single asset that far, that fast, unless something specific changed. Whether it's a new exchange listing, a liquidity injection, a partnership, or on-chain activity that hasn't been made public. The data shows the what, but not the why. And that missing catalyst is the first red flag. Meanwhile, AI-themed tokens are dominating the upper ranks, just not at the very top. 3 of the top 6 gainers carry explicit AI branding: Sahara AI, BUILDon, and Kite. Their gains range from 29.8% to 42.5%, all impressive. But here's the catch. None of these AI crypto tokens has a market cap above $500 million. Now, contrast that with Telcoin's position. It's also a small-cap asset, but its 76.2% gain is nearly double that of the top AI performers. The Telcoin surge didn't just outperform, it broke pattern. While other payments-focused or utility tokens saw modest movement, Telcoin exploded. And unlike many meme-driven pumps, it's not a new project. Telcoin has been around for years, focused on mobile remittances and cross-border payments, particularly in emerging markets. That foundation makes the surge even more puzzling. Was there a new integration, a user base expansion, a regulatory shift in one of its target regions? Without a clear announcement, the market is left to speculate. The important part is not just that Telcoin surged, but what that surge implies about market structure. Look at Injective, sitting at plus 29% for the week. That's a meaningful gain, especially on a $503 million market cap. Unlike smaller tokens, Injective's move wasn't a single-day spike. It's part of a sustained weekly run, confirmed by consistent daily gains. That suggests deeper participation, possibly from algorithmic or institutional players. Then there's Sway, the only asset in the top 20 with a market cap above $1 billion, $64 billion to be exact. It gained 20% this week, which may seem modest in percentage terms, but in absolute dollar value, it's the largest move in the group. Yet it ranks 14th in percentage terms. That inversion, small caps outperforming large caps by huge margins, is the hallmark of speculative retail rotation, not broad market confidence. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. A speculative crypto rotation like this can reverse just as fast as it forms, especially if volume dries up or sentiment shifts. And right now, there's no sign that the rotation is broadening. It's narrowing into more obscure, narrative-driven projects. So what's next? Watch next week's CMC Top 20. If AI crypto tokens and other small caps continue to dominate the top 6, and no large cap asset breaks into the top 5 by percentage gain, that confirms this is a retail-driven, story-based phase. But if Sway, Injective, or other deep liquidity assets start climbing the ranks while smaller tokens fade, that would signal a maturing rally, one with more staying power. Until then, the Telcoin surge remains an anomaly, not a trend. A signal, perhaps, but not a blueprint. The real test isn't how high it went, it's whether anything fundamental changed to justify it. And right now, that answer is still missing.